job. Good shape. Way to go.
And we are underway. Chanel Krause still up in the pole vault for St. Paul, still going after that meet record down the backstretch on the backstretch side.
Here he comes.
And here we're coming up to the first exchanges. Looks like Smith Station and Northridge. We'll see what happens when they break on the backstretch. And we'll see Northridge. It's Northridge, Hoover, Smith Station. At the handoff, it's Hoover, Northridge, Smith Station, Hewitt Trussville. And it's Hoover and Northridge on the backstretch, Smith Station, Hewitt Trussville. And we'll be coming up to the anchor legs. It's Hoover, Northridge, Smith Station, Hewitt Trussville. And down the backstretch, it's Hoover, Northridge, Smith Station. It's Hoover, Smith Station, Northridge, coming down the straightaway. Coming to the finish, it's Hoover, Smith Station, Northridge. The times, listen up, the times. Hoover's time, first place, 3:15:65. That breaks Davidson's meet record of set back in 1983. Second place,